What's up? What's up? What's up? You see, we have the gold chart popping here on the stream. The live chat. Oh, you was the first one here. Oh my god, you so fast. You so fast. Oh, look at it moving. Look at the swings. Man, if you was trading gold and quick fingered or had a bot, I mean that's pretty on the minute chart. That's pretty wicked swings for a minute. You can make some serious cash if you're quick. I mean, look at the candle. We're talking about 1832 to 1834, $2 swing, and a one minute candle. You could pop, lock, and drop it. Just doesn't look that juicy though. When you start going back to regular time frames, Where's everybody at, dude? What is going on? Where's everybody at? What we need... I need to set up my streaming to some other platforms other than just YouTube. It was connected to Facebook, and then I had to move it over to a different Facebook page because it kept wanting me to let Facebook change my settings. And after a year of streaming, all of a sudden, wants to change. No. Look at this. Look at these swings. Look at these swings at gold. 1832.73, 1834.50. Boy, you could rip it. We'll keep zooming back out. We'll go to 5 minute. Let's just... Oh, there's what it looks like on a normal scale when you're not zoomed in. Nothing spectacular. Here it is in the 1 hour, the 4 hour, again on the daily. Let's see. Now I like what the daily's looking like, other than the fact that this is a rising wedge. I like the levels we're at. I don't like the rising wedge. But it's got a lot further to go if it wants to. Go out here to the weekly. It looks like it's just chopping around inside that range. I'm thinking it's got to make a break to the upside due to the economic conditions, and we get a third test of over $2,000. That's what I'm thinking. Ain't got to be so. Look at the DXY. Got crazy today. Look at here. Look at this mess. Look here, listen. We had that big pump day, which was a dump day. Then yesterday was kind of green, kind of flat, choppy. Today, the bullish engulfing candles just keep coming. What it's telling me, we got to go up here and say hi to this 105.84 level. Airbnb. I mean, Airbnb, things already been beaten up pretty good, but we will look. Let's start out here. Airbnb. High, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, low. Lower, low. Macro trend is definitely down. I have to say, though, on this second low, you have lower levels of negative momentum. So what I would do is draw me a line there and there. And what does that give you on the weekly time frame? Anybody, my little bird box, know? That is Class A bullish divergence. The strongest form of bullish divergence is what that is. Should we continue to lose negative momentum, go neutral to positive, this is insinuating that we get one of those coming, one of those rallies right there. It's pointing at a little recovery bounce. So there it was. There's your wicks down. The next one, little hammer. I mean, the weekly's kind of saying we have a relief side. So if we're going to get a relief rally, more than likely we'll get about a 20%, 26% relief rally, which will put us probably at some important level. How about that? How about that? Right here at the bottom of this gap, 103.89. That's a pretty good little rip if you're in it right now. And it can go higher. A relief bounce can go higher, but typically when I'm assuming it's probably hit a 786, 886 retrace on the fib, and that's why you would expect to bouncing off of either one of those. You're looking at around a 26% rally is most common. It can always go up here and maybe hit 109, but that's what we're looking at right there. Is that's pretty nice little rip. We'll pull a fib and we'll see what we got. So from the last major low to high, yeah, I mean that's about it. We're below the 886. So you'd think we're probably about a 90% retrace actually, and that's fine from its prior high. I mean, we'll go for the top. We'll go for the macro trend. I love TA. It's just way too juicy not to. I mean, from all-time highs, we're down 62% of the way. So I think we've got another bullish paparazzi here, ready to go pop on you. That's what I would be looking for anyway. You might even have some kind of, I don't know. I don't know about a resistance line right there anywhere. Not really. It's not playing out the way I'd want it to see that way, but I would be in it. I would be in it right now for a little pop. Let's check the lower time frames and see if they agree. You got the daily, you just turned positive. And you're in kind of the bear. You're trying to get back to neutral on the RSI. That's it's okay. I mean, you're okay looking on the daily. 4 hour, same thing. Looks pretty good. 1 hour, going a little red. I wouldn't worry about that. That weekly, though, that weekly is so powerful when you get to Class A bullish divergence. That weekly will pull those other time frames towards it. Let's see what the monthly, if that's even worth looking at. Hold on. It probably, yeah. It's just not a whole lot of structure. But that weekly looks nice. And I think you probably could. Let's see what this has got. Headlines. Airbnb may face regulation in Mexico City. Nobody cares. U.S. tax authority postpones implementation of $600 reporting threshold for payment service providers. That's good. Airbnb must provide rental contract data to tax authorities. Withhold tax. Okay, and EU. I don't care what happens to the EU, but they'll probably implement it here to make it easy. So yeah, I could be down with hold some Airbnb for a little longer term pop in the next couple of weeks. I wouldn't be trying to trade it on a 5 minute scale. I think what we need to look at is Tesla. Tesla, why are you doing this to me, man? Elon, don't you love me? Tesla, I've got rid of all of my lines that I've had for the weeks and weeks and weeks, and I just want to clean up the chart and take a look. Tesla on the struggle bus right now. The struggle bus. It got down to hit our 104. This is the weekly. It's not going to show up, but we wicked down to a 104.65, I believe. But I just don't see why we don't. Go ahead. Come back down. Tap that level. Ultimately, we need to smack that level right there. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It's anything home related, home builders, mortgages, all that crap's just getting worse. For sure. Yeah, man, that bubble was the last one to pop, and it is deflating right now. So don't give up on Tesla. More downside to come. There's more downside to come for the Tesla. And that's cool. Who doesn't like more downside? I think we was looking at Netflix. Somebody was with me the other day. It's kind of like in a little rising channel. No, don't need that up. Move that. Yeah, something like that. Little rising channel. We're testing the heart line right now on the weekly. The daily looks juicy. Looks juicy. It's turning positive right now. We're getting the cross. So I pay attention to Netflix. We might get up here and test the top of this channel again. Somewhere around that 347 mark. Could be juicy. I mean, I wish it would be great if the struggle bus. Fuck yeah, it is. Struggle bus. Tesla invented the electric struggle bus. Because why wouldn't they? I saw yesterday where they filed some kind of paperwork. Dude, I don't fucking know, man. That's what I'm saying. I get folks asking, texting, DMing me. Hey, man, are we going live tonight? We're going live tonight? I got some questions. All right. Some people said 6. Some people said 6:30. Some people said, all right, I'm here. I'm here. I don't do this for me. I'm not making a penny off of... I'm not making a penny off of streaming. All I'm doing is... I won't say wasting, but all I'm doing is spending my time sitting here waiting to answer everyone else's questions. I don't do this for me. I don't need to live stream and ask myself questions. I can sit there and do my research and drink whiskey and I'm fine. But I'm just trying to make sure I have this service out here to all of my Discord members, friends, family, strangers that are just serious about getting into markets. I'm just here to serve everyone else, man. That's me. You know, that's what life's about. I'm here to serve. I just wish people would come and use it. It makes no sense. I'm just giving out free advice. I think until people get here, we will just find something really ridiculous to look at. Let me see. Is there something? Man, do you know anything about Substack? I have just opened up my profile on Substack. I'm guessing it's like a combination of Reddit and Spotify or something. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what its purpose is. But I'm on it. I'm on it. Let's see. What can we find? Let's look at. How about the House Speaker vote? I think we're round 10. I think it's in round 10 right now. This guy will not step down. He's not getting the votes, but he won't back down. And I got something for you. Let's see what pulls up. Let's see if there's anything fun. That's strange. This wild as shit right here, bro. Oh. I said animals with strange mating habits. Here they are. I don't know what the kind of weird position that is. It's different, though. That's different. It's like, I don't know, standing cowgirl with your kid involved. I don't know. It's wicked. Oh, the monkey's crazy. Anywho. Oh, shit. We have 2 viewers. Is there someone else here? There's someone lurking in the shadows. Are they ready to ask about TA? Everyone says we should get it. Why the hell won't they vote for him? I don't know if it's a social platform or not. I mean, I'm guessing so. I just don't. I don't know. I just randomly signed up for it. And then it's like, man, what is it going to do? What does it do? Like 35 million people on it or something. So, not real sure. Farm animals copulating. That's strange. I don't even know. Why did I Google that? I don't even know why I looked that up. I'm sorry. Monkey fucking. Monkey fucker. It's a freaking monkey fucker. I'm gonna stop looking at that. That's gonna suck me in now. I'm kind of on a rabbit hole. I don't know why there's, cause man, think about it. If you got there's 90% or whatever voting for them, you've got all these other tards out there they've got their own agendas at pet projects. They're like, you're going to guarantee you bring this before the rest of the House and the Senate. And you're going to push the, they've got their, they're selling their vote for McCarthy with a promise. They want to promise that he's going to address or bring to the floor their little pet projects. And there's some stuff that's absolutely ridiculous, or they're just flat out selling the vote. They don't even hide it anymore. Don't even hide it anymore. Very well, someone could be like, I need 100K. I need 500K for me to vote for you to be speaker. They don't care. It's laundering. Huh. Well, wasn't worth even breaking out the whiskey for tonight's stream. I could have had a sober night tonight, bro. What was I looking for? Right here. Nope, not it. I'm gonna go right there. Let's see where all. Speaking of monkey fuckers, where's ours? Where's our monkey fuckers? Well, that's like 2 nights in a row that Sandwich Man was like, "Oh man, come on live stream." All right, cool. I'm not doing it again. I won't be doing it again. If I do, it will be in a different format, in a different way, at a different time. But anywho, wow, has it already been 24 minutes? The longest 24 minutes ever. Amazing. So, dude, it's just me and you don't need my help. You don't need any advice from me. You're doing great. You're crushing it. Let me find the perfect picture to end the stream on. And I think that's what we'll end it. Nope, not Not doing that one. Come on, there's got to be one here somewhere. Where's my image? Where's the image? I want a real monkey. There it is. Love it. We're going to make this large. There we go. That's how we're going to end the stream right there. That's exactly, that's how I feel about our members right there, right now. Going to ask for a live stream and then not show up, wasting my time. That's cool though. That's what they pay a membership for. That's cool. It ain't gonna be the first, won't be the last. But there's my send off tonight to them. So, Mitch, man, I will see you at Discord momentarily. Everyone else, thanks for the people who watch this. Apparently, we have a lot of people who watch this stream after the stream. That's cool. Defeats the purpose of live stream. So you can ask questions. We will try this again tomorrow. Later.